Hey there YouTube. Today I'm doing a video review on this 3 1/4 inch planer that I got at Menards. It's made by Performax, which is like their house brand, and it has a 2-year warranty. It is Menards item number 2410993, and there's the UPC code. And here's a good shot of the back of the box if you want to pause it and take a look, because they don't have this on their website, because their website is pretty awful. This cost me $44.99. After rebate it's $40-ish. Comes with an edge guide, a little vacuum bag for your sawdust. Here's the tool itself. It's got the instructions and to stop, call this number if something's missing. On the side it just says planer. So, alright, and here are the specifications. One thing to note is where it says it has 2 reversible blades. Those come installed, so that's nice. And then the other thing is, you see 2 blades and you think, oh, I have a spare, but both those blades are installed. So if you need to buy spare blades, the manual says Bosch PA 1202 planer blades are available, and they are sold right next to this tool at Menards. Alright, here's a close-up of the tool. It's got your depth adjustment knob. And the reason I bought this was because I have an addition that we are going to be crossing over with tile. Instead of using tile leveler, the stuff that you pour, I am going to plane down the edge to get rid of the hump that was created. The rim joist of the house, or whatever they're called, the sill plate there, where it used to be, is up just about 1/4 inch, and so I'm just going to sand that off. Well, I'm going to plane that off. I was going to sand it, and I decided, hey, an excuse to buy a tool. Alright, I've never used a planer before, so I'm going to practice on this scrap piece of wood here. See how this does. Make sure that this switch is set to the side that you want the debris to discharge from. So if it's switched this way, it's going to come out this side. This way, it's going to come out this side. I'm going to set my depth to 7/64. Looks about right. Whoa, that is cool. Cool. Alright, so yeah, the planer worked fine. It planed down 1 foot by 15 foot section on the original blades with no problem. I even hit a couple screws and I still finished the job. The end of this video is just me planing for a very long time, so this is pretty much the end of the review, but if you want to actually see this thing in action, keep watching, and I'll put the video here.